Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to always capture photo in 50 megapixel rather than in 12 megapixel in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the camera application and just select the photo option, and now on the above you will see here 12 megapixel. So if we click on it, then the 50 megapixel will show up and you can shoot a 50 megapixel camera. But if you close this camera application again and if you try to reopen this camera application, you can see here the 12 megapixel will be showing up. So we want a 50 megapixel to always show up here. So for this, what you need to do is just select the photo again and just click on this icon. Now just click on this settings icon. Now just scroll down below. Now just click on this settings to keep. Now you can see here one option, high picture resolutions. So now you can see here keep 50 megapixel resolutions here. So just enable this option. Now just move back. Now just click on this 12M. Now let us close this camera application. Now let us try to reopen the camera application after closing it. Now you can see here the 50M is showing up. So by using these cool tricks, you can always capture photo in 50 megapixel rather than in 12 megapixel in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.